If anyone asks me about working for Renewal by Andersen, I'll tell them it's a great company and I think that they would enjoy it just as much as I do.
Benefits for our employee installers are very, very good. Wonderful medical plan, dental plan, PTO plan. We set them up with the tools they need to be successful, the training they need to be successful. They go out on our company vehicles and go out and delight homeowners.
My name is Vincent Lee Cherry II. I've been working for Renewal by Andersen about 2 years now, and my title is Installer 2. I'm a pretty active guy. I like snowboarding, longboarding. I like to be active at work and outside of work. So Kevin and I just checked out the job we have today, loaded up all the material we have, double-checked, make sure we have everything, and now we're gonna head out and put them in. Let's do it.
I'm Rock Jermo, Installation Manager, Twin Cities. Been with Renewal by Andersen since 1994. Andersen Windows wanted to get into the replacement market, and they went to market in a different and better way than anybody else in the country.
I've pretty much always been in the construction field, some drywall and painting.
All right, well, we'll get it all tarped off. Is it okay if we park in your driveway?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
After she leaves?
Yeah.
The process of being hired here was pretty normal. I'd say filled out an application, came in for an interview. I was really busy working at my other job, so I had to try to schedule in to get in here. They were very accommodating as to when I could come in for my interview after work. Sat down, had a nice interview, and had a few concerns about my scheduling and my life outside of work. And after we talked that over, it was an easy decision, let's go. We just got here, talked to the homeowner, introduced ourselves, checked out the windows a little bit. Now we're gonna drop everything off, make sure everything stays clean, measure the windows up, and get rolling. What impressed me on the first day was the quality standards, and that was expected, really made me happy. The training was very important for me here. Lots of great people have been here with lots of years of experience, high quality work. Everything they did train me, things I might have thought I knew, that they showed me a better way to do things. And after that first day of seeing the quality, working with great people, reinforced my decision to come work for Renewal.
We make sure our installers are successful every day. Out of our warehouse here, we set them up with everything they're gonna need for the job. It's one-stop shop.
I like that all I have to do is show up and do my job. They supply my clothing, my tools, my scheduling, the product.
The trim they need, it's the coil, it's the caulks, it's the screws, it's right down to the rags and cleaning materials to clean up the windows.
And when you're self-employed, you don't have vacation time. You pay for your own insurance. You pay for your own materials. That's a huge pain point that's been relieved.
If there's an issue on the job, there's multiple people to call.
If I need something at the job, that gets brought to me too.
We make sure that that installer has the ability to make their customers very, very happy at the end of the day.
Every job's different, and that's kind of what keeps it exciting. One of the biggest things that I was happy about coming here, I blew out my Achilles tendon snowboarding 2 winters ago. And having the insurance I had, if I wasn't working here, it would have been catastrophic.
Additionally, along with the medical plans, there are disability plans so that you can get well and come back to work.
That was a lifesaver to have that and the company backing me through that injury. All right, that one's done.
We take a lot of pride in our signature service. We set it up with trust, respect, cared for, and at the end of the day, we want to make sure those homeowners are delighted with what we do. And our installers are critical to delivering on all 4 of those signature service pillars.
All right, this one's all done. Had a conversation with the homeowner. He's thrilled, so I'm thrilled.
Down here, there's nothing there, seamless.
Nice.
Really nice job.
Thank you.
And they took their time doing it right. It was sweet. I watched the whole thing.
The most satisfying part of the job is when I get to see the look on the customers' faces and their smiles. And the great part is that the Renewal product is so great. All we have to do is do our job right, and the rest speaks for itself.